So here's how to import products from AliExpress to Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your AliExpress or Alibaba website or account. Then you have to also log into your Shopify account. After that, here you have to open a new tab, and in the new tab you have to search for the Chrome web store, and now you have to search for the upseller product importer Chrome extension. And once you have searched for it, now you have to install in the Chrome. Once you have installed this extension in the Chrome, now here you have to go to your Alibaba account. Now you have to search for the product or products that you want to import to your Shopify store. And once you search for the product, now you have to open the product, and then at the bottom right corner you will see this import to upseller option. You have to click on this. Once you click on this, now it will start importing your products on upseller. After that, these products will be automatically updated to your Shopify store. So that's how to import products to your Shopify store.